Hey, today I'm gonna discuss with you the different parts of computer and its function. I'm Fitz Gerald Balen, grade 12 section Diamond. Let's start with the meaning of computer. Computer is made up of different parts. These parts work together to do their specific tasks. These parts are called device and an electronic machine. It uses electricity to work. Four parts of the computer: input device, storage device, processing device, and output device. Let's start with the meaning of computer. Computer is made up of different parts. These parts work together to do their specific tasks. These parts are called device and an electronic machine. It uses electricity to work. First, input device. Input device is any hardware device that sends data a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. Example of input device: keyboard, mouse, joypad, digital cam or webcam, microphone. Keyboard is a typewriter style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. You use the keyboard to type letters, numbers, and symbols. Mouse allows the user to move a pointer displays on a monitor and experience a more intuitive interaction with a computer. The three main buttons, however, allows the user to select, grab, scroll, and access extra menus and options. Joystick, often used in playing computer games. Digital camera or webcam, it's a device that takes picture or photo. Next is microphone. Computer allows computer users to input audio into their computers. Second part, computer storage device. Storage devices are the computer hardware used to remember, store data. Example of storage device: random access memory, solid state drive, hard disk drive, and compact disk, floppy disk. RAM, random access memory, is data storage device that can provide fast read and write access. RAM is also volatile, which means that it loses all the storage data that moment power is lost. Solid state drive is also type of hard drive, but it doesn't have any moving parts. It consists of bank of flash memory that can hold a reasonable amount of data. Hard disk drive. A hard drive is found in most computers. It's usually mechanical drive that store all the data. The biggest vulnerability of mechanical drive, the physically fragile nature of it. Compact disk. The compact disk, or CD for short, is a form of optical storage technology that employs lasers, light to read and write data. And next, floppy disk, a portable storage medium consisting of a square plastic case containing a thin disk coated with magnetic material that is inserted into a drive. read and write data. The third part of computer is processing device. Processing device are the components responsible for the processing of information within the computer system. Example of processing device: Central Processing Unit or CPU, graphics card, motherboard, sound card, and network interface card. The Central Processing Unit or CPU is basically like the brain of computer. It processes all the information on a computational level. Graphics card. A graphics card processes the data from the motherboard and sends the appropriate information to monitor in order for it to be displayed. A graphics card can also be referred to as a video card and display card. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main board that is screwed directly inside the computer case. Its function to integrate all components with each other so they can communicate and operate together. Sound card. A sound card can offer a wide range of connectivity with various audio equipment. A sound processing chip on card does all of the audio processing and is usually not a very powerful processor. Network interface card. A network interface card is a hardware component without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. It is a circuit board installed in a computer that provides a dedicated network connection to the computer. It is also called network interface, controller, network adapter, or LAN adapter. The fourth part of computer is output device. Output device take data from the computer system and convert it to a form that can be read by humans. For instance, a monitor creates a visual electronic display to output information created by the processor to the user. Example of output device: monitor, speaker, headphones, printer, scanner, power supply. Monitor. A monitor is what you use to see a visual representation of the graphics data sent from the graphics card of the computer. Speaker. A computer speaker is an output hardware device that connects a computer to generate sound. Headphones. Headphones output audio from a computer through two individual headphones for a single listener. Also known as earphones, headphones allow you to listen to audio without disrupting other people in the vicinity. Printer. A printer can take an image sent by a computer and deliver it into a sheet of paper. It does this by using the data from the computer and by either using toner or ink. It deposits one of these in controlled and accurate manner to from the image. Scanner. A scanner can take anything on a piece of paper and scan it to produce a replicated digital image. This is also very handy for saving physical photo that you want to preserve. Once the photo is stored digitally, it won't decay as physical photos do over time. Power supply. A power supply mounted inside the computer case. This converts the AC means supply from the wall socket and supplies the correct DC voltage to all the components inside the computer.